morning, viewers. So lockdown continues. So I'm just going to go out and experiment with my new toy, the camera, the 360 camera. I'll show you that in a minute, where I'm planning to mount it today, just for a couple of experiments. Can't go too far. At the moment I'm stuck behind this car. I don't know what he's doing. He's veered off the road a couple of times. So I thought I'd better turn the camera on, just in case he does hit something. But yeah, still in lockdown, can't go too far from home. So I'm only going to stay very local today, so I don't get fined. And I thought I'd experiment with the camera, ready for later on if I ever get out of lockdown. Anyway, that car's gone. Good for that. So we'll mosey along here and find a quiet spot to fit the camera to the front and see how it goes. So I did have it tied onto the back seat, straight across the back seat before. So it was bolted on one side, then tied down across the back seat in my last video, and it bounced up and down a bit too much. The stabilisation is really good though, because what it did was it made the scenery look steady and made the bike go up and down. So interesting. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so more later when we get to a quiet spot, and I'll fit the camera to the front. You might be able to see there on the front there. That's where I plan to fit the camera. Late change of direction. Okay, well, we'll see how the camera fitting goes. Okay, well, let's experiment. So, at Insta360 camera, that way up, and I've mounted the selfie stick on the front here. I've cable tied it onto the bar there. We'll extend it out and we'll screw it on here. Could be the last moments that we get to use the camera. We'll see what happens. There we go. It's going to bounce around a bit still. We'll see what happens. Okay, well, it's on. And it's recording. You've got to be careful, because sometimes when you first record, it stops because it's some sort of transfer rate to the memory card problem or something. I don't know what it is. It seems to be recording. So there it is out the front. So we'll see what that looks like. Just an experiment. Usually I would have my, well, hopefully, the plan is to have my assistant in the sidecar holding the selfie stick. And I would normally just do this on little off-road sections to record a bit of a little clip or something. But we'll just go up the road here and see how it looks.
Phone connected.
Okay. No one coming. Oh, it's waving around a bit, so I think it would be better if oh, it's bouncing around a hell of a lot. I think it would be better if we had the sidecar assistant holding it. But anyway, we'll just do a short clip because I'm a bit worried it's going to fall off. Maybe I don't need to have the selfie stick extended quite so far. selfie stick experiment number one. Experiment number one has concluded. We'll see how that looks. As you can see, it bounces around a fair bit, but I think if I had someone holding it in the sidecar, it would be okay. Yeah. Okay. Whoop. Stop recording.
Recording.
Okay, so now I've just got the selfie stick a bit shorter this time. And we'll see what happens there. Oh, up this road. Someone coming from the nudist. There's a nudist come from the nudist colony. Hello to all you nudists. Well, here we are again. Not very spectacular scenery today, but let's go down and have a look at the end of this driveway. We're going down into the nudist colony. Now we're just going to turn around. Pretend we're off-roading for a minute. Whoa. Well, that's a bit of fun. Hope the nudists don't mind us going into their driveway. Okay, so we'll try the camera in another position.
Recording.
Okay, so experiment number two, we're going to mount the selfie stick out the back here, and we'll see how that goes. So the selfie stick sticking out the back. Why am I doing all this? I'm just having a muck around. Put the camera on. Keep the lens cap on until I get ready to record. So she's on. She's ready to go. And we're recording. Yep. Well, let's see how that looks. Make sure that's done up tight. Everything's done up tight. Now we're in gear. Well, I can see it in the rear view mirror bouncing up and down crazily. I need my sidecar monkey to hold the camera stick for me, I think. Get some interesting angles. Bolt hole, people practice their four-wheel driving in there, I guess. This is a no-through road, I don't know where this goes. Oh, another dead end. Day of dead ends. So, heading back home. So, thanks for watching, and we'll do some more experimenting later on in the week. Because in lockdown, can't do much else. Keep this video short and sweet, and more later as we experiment with other options such as slow motion and so on. Anyway, more later. Catch ya.